In this tutorial, I will show you clone stamp tool in Adobe Photoshop. So let's dive into it. So I have in Adobe Photoshop, you can access clone stamp tool from this stack. Here is clone stamp tool and its shortcut is S. Okay, so clone stamp tool paints with pixels from another part of the image. Actually, it paints pixels or simply copy pixels from an part of the image and paste in the another part of the image. So you can see, first of all, I need to copy pixel, source pixel. So if I want to paste this windmill to here, you can see I need to hold on alt and I am clicking here as it is above. I am clicking here to copy the source or pixels. So clicking, you can see now that the source pixel has been selected or copied. So now I am pasting this here. You can see that this is pasted here. Okay, so I have copied the pixels from here and pasted here. I'm undoing it. Okay, then I am demonstrating with another image. Okay, I am selecting another image. I am clicking this source. You can see alter, hold on alter and click. So you can see this is showing the copied pixels. So I am clicking here and paste here. Okay, I am releasing the mouse and you can see it is also show the other part of this. So I am pasting this from here and also showed this is okay. I am clicking here. So I can paste this image in several part of the part in here. Why this is happening? Because I am selecting the aligned option from the buttons. So if I uncheck this align option, you can see I am copying this source. I am now dragging, I am pasting it. Okay, now when I drag right side my mouse, you can see it is pasting the previous source. Which source I have clicked is all the time pasting the primary source of when I copied this. It is always pasting the primary source, but if aligned, it will aligned and collected the x and y axis value according to it will copy and paste according to coordinates. Okay, so this was the first part of this clone stamp tool. In the next video I will show you clone source, which will be you can access from here. I will demonstrate you clone source details. So hope this tutorial will help you. If so, please like my channel. Keep editing.